Hi guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can able to make money with Gemgala app. Here, I'm going to tell you how you can able to register your account successfully here in order for you to start making money. Bond your wallet address here on Gemgala app and start using it to make money online. Okay, so all you need to do once you want to log in on this app, don't start with this one that they tell you to start. You need to start with your Google account so that at the end of the day you might not be end up losing your account. Okay, make sure you start with your phone number, your email, or your Google. Now I'm going to sign up with my Google account and take you through how you can able to register your account successfully here on this app. Okay, this app is very good. I'm going to go ahead and select uh my Google account. Then I'm going to sign up here on this app. Okay, I already have account here. We're just doing this for me to record this video. Okay, so now they are going to tell you to select your gender. As you can see, you cannot change after confirmation. Make sure you cross check your gender very well before submitting it. If you're especially if you are female, make sure you cross check it very well before you click complete, because once you click complete you cannot be able to, there is nothing you can do about it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. As you can see, male, do you confirm your gender? After this account you register, you cannot be able to modify it. Okay, as you can see in here, I need to go ahead and click on female. Okay, because I'm a female. Okay, okay, let me click on complete now. Now I have already confirmed that I'm a female. Okay, once you have completed it, it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, they are going to bring you here for you to play games. Okay, so you can skip it and you might play it as well. Okay, anyone you want, you can do it. Now I'm not going to play that game because of this video. I'm going to go ahead. As you can see, once I sign up on this app, they are going to automatically reward me 2,000. Anytime you sign up on this app, they are going to reward you by logging in on the app. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and edit my profile. This is where a lot of us made a mistake while registering on this app. Make sure you edit your profile very well. Make sure you are from 18 years and above before registering on this app, because this app is for matured ones, people that are from 20 years and above that can register on this app. Okay, so now you need to go ahead and put your age, then put your language, and make sure you put your location. Very important, because if it does not allow this location to be on this app, you are not going to be seeing people that are from your country, right? Because once you log in on the app and it does not see people that are from your country, it's going to be very hard for you to work on that app. Because maybe once you go to the panel to do tasks or one or two things there, or to play game or to gist with them, you might not be able to hear the language and it might disturb you. It might disturb you not to work on this app. Okay, so make sure you allow your location. Okay, now and you need to click on languages. Okay, so you need to, if you're from Nigeria, go ahead and normally is India, in Arabic. If you're from Spanish, anywhere you are, you can actually choose your language, the one you are speaking, so that the app will know people that will recommend for you. Okay, so very well. As you can see, allow Gala to take your picture and record your video. Okay, this is where you are going to be opening your, by uploading your profile picture. But now I'm going to escape this thing now. Okay, so now let me just go back and tell you what you need to do. Remember, you need to do face verification. Very important. Then I will edit my username again. Okay, because they actually give me user. I don't want to use this thing. So I will need to go and answer Berry. Okay, and click confirm. Okay, this name you can actually update it anytime you want. Anytime you want to change your name, you can change it. Okay, it does not require anything. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I don't know if I can able to remember your signature. Before I forget, your personal signature, you need to upload your personal signature. Very important. Make sure you edit your profile very well. Here, okay, as you can see, this is where your income is going to be, and this is the way your coins is going to be. Okay, the green one and the yellow one. Okay, so now as you can see, the coins I receive while I'm logging in, I have not buy any coins yet. But here you can, if you want to buy coins, you can go ahead and buy coins. It depends on your choice. Okay, so and you can actually play games and make more money here on this app. Okay, this app is very very good. Okay, so now I'm going to be teaching you how you can able to bound your Meet wallet. Very very, that is the way a lot of people get lost. If you does not know how to bound your Meet wallet address, I'm going to be sharing with you now. Okay, so all you need to do is for you to go to withdraw method, and you're gonna go there. As you can see, people that is withdrawing here, the rank people that is withdrawing here. So now you are going to go ahead and click on Meet wallet, send money. So I'm going to wait for this thing to load because it's going to take a second. Okay, let's just wait. Just bear with me, let this thing load so I can continue this video. Very important. As you can see, it just say welcome to Meet wallet. As you can see, the option is to email, more option. If I click on more option, it's going to bring me phone number. Okay, if you want to use your phone number to verify this Meet wallet, you can actually use your phone number to verify your Meet wallet. Okay, so Meet wallet, in this case I'm actually going to use my phone number to verify it. Okay, so now I'm going to click on English. Okay, make sure you click on English to know the option that they are going to give you. I'm going to go with my phone number, so I'm going to cover my phone number now because this is actually my real phone number. Okay, so now I'm going to type my phone number. Make sure you select your country. Okay, once you click here, you're going to see select region. As you can see, India, Bangladesh, United States, France, Philippines, Morocco, Egypt, all like worldwide is available on this app. As you can see, Nigeria and a lot of countries. Then I'm going to go ahead. As you can see, the email, if you want to use your email, you can go ahead and put in your email address. They're going to send you code on your email, then we use it to bound it. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and use my phone number on this one. Okay, so just type in your phone number. Okay, then I'll click next. It's going to ask you to put your password. Very important. Make sure the password you are going to put is the one you are going to be remembering. Or if you does not remember something like that, you can actually put this thing on sheet of paper. Keep it somewhere because this is where you are going to use it to withdraw your money at the end of the day. Okay, so now let me just put my this thing. I'm trying to know if I can able to change my password. Okay, so now as you can see, I've bounded my this thing. All you need, you see authorize, make sure you click on, don't click on switch account, click on authorize, unable to quick login. Okay, as you can see, my number is already appearing there, so which I'm going to be covering. So if I'm covering something, do not worry. Okay, I need to click on authorize, then it's going to load. Once it's loaded, you're going to see bound successfully, then you will click confirm. You see bound successfully. If you came on this Meet wallet, you're going to see that my phone number is going to appear. Then I'm going to go back again and show you one thing you need to do. How you can able to transfer your money from here to your bank. Okay, so anywhere you are, depend on your region. Each region with their own different method. As you can see, once I click here, you're going to see password, payment password, login, email, and user ID. And my email address is already there. Okay, as you can see, once you want to modify your email, you can actually go ahead and do it. Okay, your phone number and everything. So let me just, if you want to modify your login this thing, you can actually go ahead and modify it so that maybe you have forgotten it or you want to reset it back, and actually use that opportunity to do it. As you can see, withdraw account to be fed in. Okay, as you can see, withdraw account. So make sure you are completing your Meet wallet by putting in your document. Very important. Put your document. As you can see, basic level and SIM verified. As you can see, I'm fully verified here. Okay, so now you're going to go ahead and put your own document, or either your NIN or your NEPA bill, anyone. you can use it to verify. It's very, very simple. As you can, this one is cash out transfer. Transfer is that if you want to transfer to someone else, like the people that is using this particular app, you can actually click on this transfer and transfer your money to that person. Or if you want to use your bank, you need to go to your bank, and once you click on it, you are going to see other accounts can be added. ePay is what is available here. You need to go ahead and click on bind. Then once you click on the bind, this is how the interface of the thing is going to appear. As you can see, other accounts can be added. As you can see, maybe you're from Ghana, or you can check your own withdrawal account to know if it is the same. Or every country has his or her own withdrawal method. As you can, my name is already there and everything. So all you need to do is for you to put in your account. That is your email, your ePay, this thing, your ePay Gmail account. Then you need to click on. If you don't have ePay, you can actually go ahead and create your account here. As you can see, if you don't have ePay, please click here to register. You can actually register through here. Okay, so let me just go down and come out here and show you what you need to do here for you to make money. Okay, let me just come out here entirely. People withdraw here daily. Okay, so let me just come out and show you what you're going to do. As you can see, dear user, 2,000 coins of signing up. The reward they gave me, they actually sent me a message. So now, what are you going to be doing on this app? Okay, once you see here, you're going to see create room. People are already here. People from Philippines, people from Ghana, different region are here. Okay, so now I'm going to click here and show you something. What are you going to be doing here? You see they are sitting on the party. They are sitting, as you can see, this is actually, for those of you that are asking me, is men available here? Men can do it. Many men are here doing it. For ladies, this is what you're going to be doing. If you know that, make sure you upload your picture that is very, very nice when you're updating your profile picture. Very important, because here you can able to video call here. Like now they are sitting on party. Many people can call them. They can call them there in order for them to chat with them. And you might be sitting on your panel and call will just appear where you are sitting, and you will receive that call. And when receiving call, you are going to be earning while receiving call. Another one is that, like now they are sitting on party. Person can come there and be gifting them, and you can actually buy coins. As I said before, you can actually buy coins there and play game as usual. Okay, and that is the reason why I tell you that you need to make your location show so that you can actually see people that you can communicate with, gist with. As you can see, many countries are here. Many countries, people that you can play game together, people that you can do PK with them. Okay, as you can see, create a room at level 1. Make sure that once you log in on this, you need to go there, and once they already give you your coins, you can actually use that coins to play game as well. As you can see, once you click here, they are going to take you to play game. Okay, as you can, that 2,000, I have 2,000 they give me. This is the game that I'm actually going to bring out. Okay, this is the game we are going to be playing. As you can see, these people are actually playing game, and once they play game and win, that game will tell you, there is a sign that they will tell you that sent all. Okay, it's not that once they say you sent them, they are not going to give you anything. No, no. And once you send them, you are going to win more. This is actually how people earn here, by video calling, by doing party, by playing games. This is how people do here. Invite your friends and earn more coins and use it to play game. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.